Are you eating spaghetti? Yep, suck it in. You got it. Oh, good job. You need some more? Oh, there's a bright light, isn't it? You want some more spaghetti? Hey, little boy. You want some more spaghetti? Yeah. Show us how you suck it in.
Here.
Was that a long piece? Oh, you don't want to perform?
Yay!
Is that good? You are so cute. Is it yummy? I love you.